Using Smart Panning makes it faster to zoom and pan large drawings with lots of content. By default, Smart Panning is switched off. This means that when you zoom or pan a drawing, you can see all of the drawing content at all times. This can make navigating drawings rather slow. To switch on Smart Panning, go to Settings, then select Advanced Options. Find the Use Smart Pen option and set it to True. This change will affect all drawings that you open with your Trimble identity. After switching on Smart Panning, you'll need to restart Tekla Structures and reopen your model and drawing. Now, while you pan the drawing, you can see that all drawing content near the edges is not drawn. Instead, a checkerboard pattern is shown. This makes navigating the drawing faster. When you stop panning the model, Tekla Structures shows all of the drawing content again.